So tell us a little bit about Leap Orbit and what Leap Orbit does, and then give us how people can reach you, your contact information, and ways to tune into the show. So, Mike, you want to take the lead?
So Leap Orbit, we're really kind of two companies in one. We have a company, an area that's focused on products. We've created a number of products that are focused again on the ability to share data. In this case, data related to prescription drug monitoring, so to make sure that people are being protected and aren't being overprescribed or being able to abuse the system and end up abusing themselves. And then we also have a provider directory solution that we work with, health plans in order to be able to manage and ensure that they have the information that they need, and they can share that information appropriately with their patient population about the providers that they're employing. On the other side of it, which is the side that I lead, we have a consulting practice essentially, and we call it our health tech consulting practice. And what we do is we chase after these big problems that we've been talking about, and we go out and bring to bear the wisdom of our team and also our partners, the people that we've worked with in the past and the people that we are getting to know. Bring that wisdom to bear on those issues so that we can solve them. And if you need to get in contact with me, my email address is mhunter@leaporbit, all one word, .com. I also am out there on LinkedIn, although Mike Hunter is kind of a hard name to find because there's so many of us. So you'll have to look it up with Leap Orbit as well to find me, but I'm happy to connect there as well.
So Ben, how about you? And also tell us about how people can find your podcast.
Yeah. So first of all, I'll say Mike has always been an overly humble guy. He works on some pretty incredible projects with the alphabet soup of federal agencies as well. So some really cool things that his team has been doing. I'm more on the product side where, Leap Orbit provides the technology and the services for several states and provinces in Canada to run prescription drug monitoring programs. So we work with them at the state level. But I've also recently been working on bringing something to market, more of an integration tool for the hospitals and health systems, so they don't have to go in to the state's PDMP website and look up all of this data with login credentials and patient queries and things like that require time. It's a one-click integration into their EMR system. So a lot better for their workflow, and kind of goes back to my passion for saving doctors time where I can. Yeah, and like Mike said, you can reach us at leaporbit.com. My email is bwade@leaporbit.com. And we look forward to connecting with you all, and let's build a better healthcare system together.
Thank you, guys, for the opportunity. The podcast will be available on all the platforms, starting from iTunes to Spotify and you name it. So wherever you get your podcasts, and also your YouTube channel, so people can actually tune in and watch. Thank you for the opportunity to learn about you and about the company and what you guys do, and what most important, why you do it. Thank you.
Thank you, Nick. Thank you.
Thank you, Nick. This concludes our first episode of the Next Orbit podcast. We'll see you on the next one.
The Next Orbit podcast requires more than a conversation. It takes action, research, and collective wisdom. If today's episode resonated with you, we'd love to hear your insights. Join the conversation and help us shape the future together. We'll be back with more stories, strategies, and real-world solutions that are making a difference. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe, write a review, and share it with someone you think would benefit. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you on the next episode.